Okay, I don't know if it's... Oh, yeah, we are live. Let me just check. Okay, yes, we are live. I don't know if we are... I will check daily news. Good morning. Just let me... I will close this, okay. And I will check this comment. So if you have some comments... Okay, this is like only... I will only try this like a few days, so this is why I didn't shadowing or something. If someone passing by and see it, it's welcome. But I didn't write the titles. So I drinking coffee and it's a beautiful rain outside. So maybe someone will join, but I didn't even write the title, I think. I live stream. Okay. No matter, this is like, will be like... Okay, let's start. From David Andre.
Wang, an AI researcher who's one of the authors of the famous DeepSeek v2 paper. He also open sourced the training methods behind DeepSeek R1 and has over 1,300 citations as a first-year PhD student. In this podcast, we talk about how
okay, this is a podcast.
So do you think like the biggest differences between the labs will be better algorithms, better architectures, or what do you think will distinguish these labs? Do you think it will be something else?
Yeah, so there are actually many points that can distinguish those.
Self-improving.
So,
yeah, this is self-improving is must crucial in OpenClaw and in many systems like this. So must not only self-improving to react without you tell him. So self-react, self-improving, self-memory. This is all
some labs has
important.
Agents that can.
Yeah, but this is kind of science stuff. It's interesting, but you know. Okay, some science. Let's see another video. I have
GPT-5.4 is insane.
The legend.
OpenAI just leaked something they did
Julian
not want you to see.
Goli.
It's called GPT-5.4. And what this thing can do is going to blow your mind.
Why we don't want to see? Actually, I didn't see it yet, but I see it before other days. 5.2 by 5.3 actually, instant. So this is new, like interesting.
We are talking a brain so big it can read entire books in one go, full picture understanding with zero blur. An AI that can literally do your work for you, start to finish. This changes everything. So here's what happened. Somebody at OpenAI messed up. They pushed code to GitHub, public GitHub, and inside that code, clear as day, was a reference to a model called GPT-5.4.
Okay, it's not yet, but I think soon will be 5.4, but yeah, this is...
Not GPT-5, not GPT-5.3. Days. Developed, saved, people started digging, and tokens. So 2 massive research papers, every page, every piece of content you have ever made, and it just holds all of it at once and gives you answers based on everything. That is a game changer for SEO. That is a game changer for content. That is a game changer for literally anyone who uses AI to get work precision.
TradingView is turning 15, which means it's time for gifts.
Oh,
Thousands of users have already received free access to...
Okay.
GPT-5.4 reportedly has a new setting that lets it process images at full resolution. No compression, no quality.
So image will be improved. Even now the image is decent. But this will be improved. This is a nice car.
Loss. So imagine to read a screenshot per task. This does the whole thing. Think about coding. You could say, build me a landing page with the...
I still didn't try this codex. I don't know if you try this, but...
features and customers, I am here to help you get the latest AI.
Whatever I ask, whenever I ask Julian about anything, most of the cases he reply, check AI profit boredom. how to check it, you need to pay like more than $50. But actually, I really strange about name. How you get this name? I don't like it. Like AI Profit Boardroom. Like what? I don't like this name. It's crazy how you get idea for this name. And actually, if you want to join his, I think this is on school. Let me see. If you want to join the famous AI Profit Boardroom, yeah, it's like 59 per month, crazy. And he have like 2.6k members. Wow, it's insane, man. This is insane. Yeah, he works so hard. I think he works hard more than any person. I must admit this, but you know, he's too much focused on this, you know, on his video. Like he have like so much like AI Profit Boardroom, everything you can check in AI Profit Boardroom, but most people are not there how to check it. You have like so much, you don't need any more, I think. Okay, let's back to his video.
Updates. Julian Goldie reads every single comment, so make sure you drop one below. Every business owner,
Yeah, this digital avatar of Julian Goldie is very good. I don't know how he made it, but it's really good one.
Marketer, every content creator needs to understand what is coming, because your competitors will use this stuff whether you do or not. Now here is the thing about the
new version of ChatGPT is coming. This is nice.
Tons of rumors and leaks about OpenAI's GPT-5.4. And as of today, we can confirm that these are not just rumors. And also in this video, I wanted to take a second to talk about the Quit GPT movement. There's a pretty big backlash to some of the actions by OpenAI and their dealings with the Department of War. Also, quick note, after I recorded today's video, several new things that came to light. First and foremost, we already knew this, but the Quit GPT movement has been growing rapidly. More people are canceling their ChatGPT service and switching to Anthropic. Numbers are rather...
Oh, I don't know. I heard about something. Actually, I'm not a big fan of Claude, Anthropic. You know, maybe they have like good models, but wherever I try to Claude, I kind of fail. But people think that it's the best. For me, it's not. And for me it's expensive, okay? So if something is like extremely expensive, I cannot be part of it. So maybe I can have money to give, no problem, this is no problem. But I must react like in total, you know, it's not about me. If I accept this, then it will be like more and more. So I will always be on ChatGPT side.
Startling. They've basically switched. Anthropic is now above OpenAI. OpenAI dropped quite a bit. This is at least if we're looking at estimated first-time downloads. And as I've posted a few days ago, there's a pretty big backlash against OpenAI. Also, this is hot off the presses. Anthropic chief back in talks with Pentagon about AI deal. I said that there was a chance that this might happen a few videos back. I wasn't sure if that was just me just kind of hoping it would happen, but it did feel like there was a lot of stickiness with Claude and a lot of different departments.
Okay, this is more political. Let's go to another news.
NotebookLM trick changes everything. Today I'm going to show you a brand new Google update that just dropped. It lets you turn boring research into stunning visuals in one click. No Canva, no Figma, no design skills.
Let me see if it's... Okay. Let me see if I heard. Okay.
And I'm going to show you the exact 4 prompts that turn NotebookLM into a full content machine. Any research paper, any report.
Yeah, NotebookLM like every day is going, you know, different and going better.
And turn it into a clean, structured infographic, one click. There are 10 preset styles built in. You've got editorial, clay, brick, tech, minimal, even one called kawaii, which is this cute cartoon
Kawaii
style
Leonard.
that people are going nuts over. And on top of that, you can create your own custom style from scratch. Make it look good. Agency, Goldie Agency.
Goldie Agency.
Here's
no
what
thanks,
you paste
no
in.
thanks.
You say, you are a research super agent. Topic, AI automation for growing online reports. Something like the AI. Key stats expert.
I don't know if it's still NotebookLM like free to use. I think yes. So it's really crazy too. I use it many times, and now you can even connect it with Gemini. So yeah, it's become really powerful. What is this?
Takes fresh data, all structured requirements, strong headline, 5 to 7 key data section. You hit this prompt, and one more thing.
Hey there, my name is Ben Kane. I'm a
One more
distinguished
thing.
engineer
Thank you.
at American
Thank
Express.
you.
I'd like to invite
If
No.
you're creating
It's nice that everything about AI, everything about AI agents, it's focus on it's focus on money, only on money. So okay, money is important to earn money, but you know, it's not the most important thing. It's more important thing is brand. It's more important this value you give. You know, money it's okay to some limit, but yeah, all people focus. Let's get some new ideas just to earn more money. You know, I don't like this.
all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, we actually teach you how
AI
this,
profit
you
blogging.
paste this in, or formatting, only include verified numerical data. So now you've got a clean content machine. You paste this in, write a high quality SEO foundation,
It's more CEO, I think, based, replacing your content.
and the SEO blog writing all in one place. And think about what this means for your workflow.
What?
Let's say you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, and
Okay.
you need fresh content every week. Newsletters, blog posts, social media graphics,
Wow.
infographics for your members. Instead of spending hours on each piece, you run these 4 prompts and you've got everything you need in minutes. The research is done, the visuals are
I
done,
want
the
in
vlog is
seconds,
done,
man,
you just
not
publish.
minutes.
This
I
works
want
for
in
anyone
seconds.
creating content. If you're a YouTuber, this gives you research and visuals for your videos. If you're a blogger, this is your entire content.
I'm not blogger. Okay, Perplexity Computer. I write the other day about similar tools like OpenClaw, and one, and I think on 4th place was Perplexity Computer.
The computer update is insane. Perplexity just dropped something huge, and if you use AI to run your business, you need to hear this. They added skills to Perplexity Computer. That means your old workflows from Codex and Claude Code, you can now run them directly inside Perplexity. This changes everything about how fast you can automate your work. Let me show you exactly what this means and how to use it.
I didn't use skill, already predefined skill on OpenClaw. I make my own skills, so I'm not big fan of this skill.
Right now, so let's talk about what just happened with Perplexity. Perplexity Computer is their tool that lets AI actually use your computer, not just talk to you, not just give you ideas, actually open apps, click buttons, do tasks like a real human sitting at your desk. That's already powerful, but the big problem was every time you wanted AI to do a task, you had to explain it from scratch every single time, right? You had to write out all the steps again, set it all up again. It was slow, it was annoying, and it stopped a lot of people from actually using it. That problem is now gone because Perplexity just added skills. So what are skills? Hey, if we haven't met
Maybe it adds skills by its own, you know, like they created.
Codex and Claude Code. So if you've already built workflows in those tools, stuff you already tested and know works, you don't have to rebuild anything.
Each thing, like he put his picture in the middle, or no, it's not in the middle.
Bring it straight into Perplexity
I mean, like leaning more to the mid range.
Computer, your existing automations, your existing workflows, all of it, just plug it in. That is a massive deal because a lot of people have already spent time building things in Codex or Claude Code. Now that works every morning, pull the latest member question, build that workflow once in Perplexity, moving files, the list goes on. A skill
What
you
is
can
the
build
price?
today, use
What is the price of Perplexity Computer? You have like it's not unlimited, I
in
think.
Perplexity Computer, one that would actually help grow a business like skills. This is level 2. This is where you stop using AI as a tool you talk to are repetitive. Third, start thinking about how a skill could automate each of those. And the people who start business make serious AI automation accessible to people. AI automation. I've got something special for you, Both of them have
I think you need a $200 plan for
been used, runs
Perplexity.
in the background, handles the boring stuff, and frees you up to
I will check it, but yeah, I think it's too much, $200, so I will skip it.
Hey, we have a brand new update from NotebookLM. So you can see that they've said introducing cinematic overviews, the next evolution of NotebookLM Studio. Basically, what this allows you to do is create way more cinematic videos, as you can see right here. Now, previously, they were kind of like animated videos that looked pretty cool, but now you can actually generate something way better using these cinematic videos. Unlike standard templates, these are powered by a novel combination of the most advanced models to create bespoke immersive videos from your sources. So if you're not familiar with NotebookLM, let me talk you. You can go your research on the left. You can switch between explainer, brief, and
You can do this. This is new cinematic.
So this is the
This
new
was
update.
before.
And then you can also put in custom instructions here.
Okay.
The OpenClaw resources to generate. Now, they've also released another new update, which is custom infographics. So if you click on the edit side,
yeah, you already talked about this. Okay.
waiting. So it must take about an hour to generate these, maybe because it's a new
Actually, your
feature being
digital avatar is talking about it.
rolled out. But that's basically how you can get
Let's see this cinematic.
for
How he did it.
how to feel free to different what we've built previously. I'll start a website.
He's working in
out,
codecs.
and for this really, really fast as an API. And a new thread inside that folder. You go with GPT, you can connect Netlify. A lot of clients focus on helping you how I. So Perplexity have built games. Awesome, easy to use.
But where is this video, Julius?
Awesome.
Julius
that sort of
Randall.
thing, right? And the more information you give it, the more information it has that you can speak to at any time. Add more skip.
Where is this video? Never Perplexity भैया.
All right, so if your OpenClaw is acting dumb or you're burning an insane amount of usage, you're in the right place. Be a lot more efficient, a lot more focused, smarter, and yeah, so that's very important. Here's just an illustration of this. I tell it to make a thumbnail. It only pulls up the thumbnail skill. Then I have a deployment skill. So if I tell it to deploy a site, I have a skill for that too. Or write a script. I have script and research skills.
Yeah,
And
this
it's
is
only
a
pulling
big
that-
problem. OpenClaw agents can be smart, I must admit it, but most of the time, at the right moment, they're dumb. You know, they're not so much smart. They can do like really amazing things, but still. Okay, I also this on chatbot as well. You know,
information when it needs it. So you have to make slides just in your workspace.
Just AI Agent Hub. Let me see his channel. Maybe I will follow him. Okay, let's follow the person.
Seedance 2.0 Pro is the very best AI video generator.
Yeah, see, this is amazing. Really like so realistic videos. And actually, this is the best channel about AI videos.
Generation tool on the market. But a lot of people don't know that aside from just typing in a prompt or uploading an image, there's a brand new feature inside of Seedance 2.0 that I think has the power to be even more transformative in the AI video world. In this video, we are going to take a look at Seedance Omni, which is ByteDance's answer to different Omni reference features available in other AI video tools like Kling Omni, Luma Modify, and Runway Olive. By the end of this video, I want you to have a context in which you can use this brand new feature inside your AI video workflow. I'll home for, and so it's actually only available see the folks at ByteDance, and so it's actually only available to beta testers and people using VPNs. And the second, some sort of other tool of this frames. We can just drag and drop it to do multiple frames where you have different frames.
So yeah, he will write. He will talk about omni reference in Seedance 2.
For different parts of your scene, and you can generate multiple shots from a single video clip, which is really, really cool. So we'll go ahead and click render on that, and that gives us this video here. And that video clip did an amazing job. It's definitely in a different league than Kling. The problem is when you generate,
I agree,
using Seedance 2.0 inside Dramenia, you're going to get this very weird resolution flicker that happened in previous versions of Seedance. For whatever reason, it's much more pronounced and prevalent when you use Dramenia. I'm not entirely sure why. And you also have an AI watermark in your video. So from what we can tell, the Dramenia version is just a much more scaled back version compared to the Pro version, which you can find inside of UArt. So let's get started here. In order to use UArt, you can go over to the uart.ai website. They have that banner at the top for Seedance 2.0 early access. It's between the two platforms and get different results. Now I want to fly through a pretty good job as clip. I mean,
if you want to learn how to master using AI, don't watch.
Okay, we have 2 more.
Claude just released a new update that I've been waiting for a very long time, and it makes it so much better now. Because what you could do now is you could import your memories from other chatbots into Claude. The reason why I had a hard time leaving ChatGPT or even using Claude all that much is because most of my conversations took place in ChatGPT. I've used it since December of
Me too.
2022. Same thing with Google Gemini. I also use Google Gemini a lot. Well, now I could take all my memories from the 2 other chatbots I use pretty frequently and
Finish update, man.
bring them into Claude, so Claude could have all my memories in one place, including what Claude already knows about me. So in this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. And I also wanted to show you a couple other settings too that are worth changing if you are using Claude here. And Claude just hit the #1 app in the App Store. So a lot of people are starting to use Claude, which right now is the 3rd most popular chatbot right behind ChatGPT and Gemini. So go to Claude.ai, sign into your account, and then go to settings right here. And if you go to capabilities here in the settings, the first thing you want to do is you want to turn on everything related to memory inside of Claude. So Claude could reference chats. It could also generate memories.
So if you want to watch this, I don't use Claude. So if you want to watch this, I think it's a very nice, useful feature. So you can check it. And the last video.
So how do we edit video? So you guys probably seen this is a new channel and we've been producing videos like mad here. Like we're literally doing around what?
Check it, 36.
5 videos a day. And I don't know if you guys have been in video production for a while, like 5 videos per day is actually a lot of work. And I just want to show you guys a little bit of a process of how we are editing videos.
Yeah, this guy also like similar like Julius put so much videos. I don't know why I have some latency, almost half a minute. Crazy.
And how everything works here at Box Mining AI. So we use Descript. So we've been using this for around, I would say 3 years already. And I would...
Oh, nice desktop background. But too much light. It's beautiful, but too much white. I like crazy.
I would say 3 years already. This has been for my other channel, which is the crypto channel. And what kind of works for Descript is that Descript automatically converts new projects that you have. So say we got a video project, where you just upload a file here. This is all the videos that we do. Let's just find today's video. This one works. What it does is it automatically converts the video file into a transcript. It takes a little bit of time. Like you update the entire video, and I thought I want to show you guys how this.
Yeah, the script is good, I think, for this. For
done. So basically, it transcribes the. So you have to upload a mistake, and this I guess if not for us, helps us. Say like say something like the entire video. That's around it. That's how we edit.
It's not edit, it's just transcription. Expensive,
video like one way, it's
expensive.
possible. So yeah, that's how we use it.
This is my video. So cute. Okay, this is it. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow morning. Bye. Let me see what is the shortcut to stop this video. So,